Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to download the famous Candy Crush Saga application or the game on your Android device. So if you want to get that, simply keep watching the video till the end. Open up your Play Store to begin. Before connecting to your Play Store, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. And once you are connected to one, go ahead and type in Candy Crush Saga into the search box and search. Soon after you find the application in the search result, tap on the install button right next to it to begin the downloading process. Now wait for the application to be downloaded, which is a quick and easy step depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, you can play the game whenever you want, right on your Android device. After the installation is completed, tap on the play button in order to launch open Candy Crush Saga. That is how you can easily download Candy Crush Saga on your Android phone.
How to change name on Candy Crush Saga. Open up your Candy Crush Saga application to get started. If you're not logged into your account, click the gear icon at the bottom left and click on My Accounts. Click on the login option and enter your email followed by the password in order to log into your account. After you are done entering the credential, click Login and you'll be able to log into your account. Your name will be displayed right under your profile picture. Now click the Edit button and type in your current King account's password in the text box. After you are done, click on Submit and right where it says first name, go ahead and type in the name you would like to change to. You can also go ahead and enter your last name on the next field. Finally, click the Submit button and that way, you'll be able to change your name for Candy Crush Saga. Wait for a few minutes and your name will be changed. That is how you'll be able to change your name on Candy Crush Saga game. How to change password of your Candy Crush Saga account. Open up your Candy Crush Saga app to get started. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're inside, click on the gear icon at the bottom left. Now click the My Account button under Settings, scroll down and click on Change your password. Enter your password in the text box that you are currently using for your King account and click Submit. On the next page, type in the new password you'd like to set. Retype the new password again. Finally, click on Change Password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for Candy Crush Saga. How to change profile picture on Candy Crush Saga. After you are logged into your Candy Crush account, from the main home page, click on this gear icon at the bottom left. Now, click on My Account. You'll be able to see your profile picture displayed on the screen. To change it to something else, click on the camera icon. This will take you to king.com on a web browser. Click on the Add Picture button and select one of the picture you'd like to use as a profile picture from your library. Once you find the picture, give it a click and click on Open and you'll be able to adjust the picture in the profile picture preview area. After selecting your picture and adjusting it according to your preference, click on Save Picture in order to change your profile picture for Candy Crush Saga. Now you can go back to the game and your profile picture will be changed. That is how it can be easily done. How to add friends on Candy Crush Saga. To add friends on Candy Crush Saga game, simply go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top left. Now, click on Friends. Click the Add More Friends button and select the Invite Friends button. Now, you can go ahead and choose a person you would like to send the friend request to, or you can also choose the mail option and add a friend by email. Into the to text box, type in the email of your friend and you'll be able to see an automatic text displayed on the screen. Once you do that, click the Send button at the top right. Once the friend of yours you are trying to add opens up your email, they'll be able to see the link that you sent. They'll need to click on it and join in with you on Candy Crush Saga. That is how you can easily add friends on Candy Crush Saga.
How to turn off hints on Candy Crush. To turn off hints on Candy Crush Saga, first open up your application. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. From the main home page, click on this pink gear icon at the bottom left hand corner. In the pop-up, click Features. You'll be able to see Hints option. If you see it enabled, make sure to give it a click and disable it like this. And now you can go back and start your game That is how you can easily turn off hints on Candy Crush Saga if you don't want any hints during your gameplay.
How to add friends in Candy Crush Saga without Facebook. Now let's begin. When it comes to adding friends without Facebook on Candy Crush Saga, you can only do it from the group of random players that King assigns you whenever you start playing. So if you want to add friends in Candy Crush Saga without Facebook, then you must have a King account first. Open up your Candy Crush Saga app and tap on Retrieve My Progress. Now select Sign Up with Email option and you can easily create a King account by entering some of the details on this page. Finally, click on Create My Account to create a new account. Once you have a King account, tap on Login with Email whenever you're trying to log into Candy Crush and enter your email and password associated with your Kingdom account. Finally, tap Login. Once you're logged into your account, you can now go to the map page. From the main homepage, tap on your profile avatar at the top of the screen. Select the Friends tab from the display. Now, tap on Add More Friends from the option and you can go ahead and scroll through a group of random players that King assigns to you. If you want to add a friend from that list, tap on the plus icon with a human figure in it right next to the player. Once you are done, you'll be able to send the friend invitation. Once they accept your invitation, you'll be able to add them as a friend on Candy Crush Saga. If you want to invite some friends from your own contact, tap on Invite Friends, select one of the messaging platform you'd like to invite a friend using, and once you make a selection, select the contact and tap Next at the bottom right. Now you'll be able to see an automated text displayed on the screen. You can send the invitation by tapping the Send button at the top right, and whenever the person clicks on the link and accepts your invitation, you'll be able to add them as a friend inside your friend list. That is how you can easily add friends on Candy Crush Saga without Facebook. How to delete friends on Candy Crush Saga. First, make sure that you open up your Candy Crush Saga app and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once inside, locate your profile icon at the top of the screen. Now, tap Friends from the profile page. You'll be able to see all of your friend list displayed on the screen. In the friends list, select the contact you'd like to delete. Now, tap on Unfriend. In the pop-up, click Yes, and you'll be able to delete friend on Candy Crush Saga. You can repeat the step for all the friends you'd like to get rid of. How to find friends on Candy Crush Saga. If you want to find your friends on Candy Crush Saga, then it's pretty simple. Make sure that you open up Candy Crush Saga application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. All of your friends that you've added on Candy Crush Saga will appear on your map, but you'll be able to see them on the map if they are connected to Facebook. You can also find friends by tapping on your profile avatar at the top of this page and tapping on Friends. All of the friends that you've sent invites to or your existing friends will be displayed in this page. You can also add more friends by tapping the Add More Friends button. Continue adding more friends as you please, and once the invitation has been accepted by your friend, you'll be able to add them on Candy Crush Saga. How to increase move on Candy Crush Saga. While playing a game, you might walk into a situation when you run out of moves on Candy Crush Saga. When this happens, you will have an option to keep playing by spending gold. You'll need to go ahead and spend 10 gold in order to get 5 extra moves. But this is possible only if you've got gold on your account. You can get golds by spending US dollars. Go ahead and select the gold you'd like to purchase from the candy shop. If you don't have gold, you won't be able to add extra moves on Candy Crush Saga. Remember that the extra move is known as a booster. In Candy Crush Saga, it'll add more moves to a level, and the booster can only be obtained using gold. The extra move booster adds 5 extra runs in the game upon activation. That is how you'll be able to increase moves on Candy Crush Saga. How to report a problem with Candy Crush Saga. If you want to report some issues with the Candy Crush Saga game, then the most direct platform is to go ahead and reach out for the support page. From the main homepage of your Candy Crush Saga, after you are logged into your account, tap the gear icon at the top right. Now, tap on the chat bubble located at the bottom left. This will take you to community.king.com website. From this page, tap on the support button. Now select the Help Center option. Now here in this page, you'll be able to see all of the information regarding your problem, or if you want to report your problem right away, you can simply contact Candy Crush Saga by tapping on the Contact Us button. Select your preferred language from the drop-down and enter your email address that is associated with your account. Type in your full name on the next field and under Choose a Game, select Candy Crush Saga. Select your platform from the drop-down and choose a topic that best defines your problem. Inside the text box where it says tell us what you need, type in what you'd like to report about the platform in the text box, and finally tap on I'm not a robot and click submit. Now, once you submit your report, you'll be able to see that you'll need to check your email now and then to keep in touch with the support team, and you might be able to fix your issue once they contact you from their end. That is how you can easily report a problem in Candy Crush Saga.
How to exit Candy Crush on your PC. To exit or close off your Candy Crush game on your PC, go and click on this gear icon at the bottom left. Now click on My Account. Scroll down and click on the Log Out button and click Log Out one more time to make sure you'd like to log out. Once you are done, you can now close off the screen by clicking on the Close button at the top right.
How to delete Candy Crush Saga account. To delete your Candy Crush Saga account, all you need to do is to open up your Candy Crush application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're logged in, tap on the gear icon in pink at the top right hand corner. Now tap on the chat bubble at the bottom. This will take you to community.king.com website, and then from this page, tap on the Contact Us button at the very bottom of this page. Once you do that, in this page you'll need to enter all of the details in order to proceed the deletion of your account. Select your preferred language from the drop-down and enter your email address associated with Candy Crush Saga. After you do so, go to the next field and type in your full name. Select your game from the drop-down. Make sure to select Candy Crush Saga and choose one of the platform that you are using Candy Crush with. Select a topic on the next field that you are trying to contact about. From the list, select Privacy and Legal, and under Choose a subtopic, select I want to permanently delete my account. Now you can also go ahead and mention anything you'd like to about the platform in the text box and click on I'm not a robot. Complete the CAPTCHA and click on Submit. Now you'll need to check your email associated with Candy Crush Saga in order to complete your deletion process. You might also need to send a few additional documents for information if the support asks you to, and that is how you'll be able to delete your Candy Crush Saga account. It might take a few hours to a few days for the support to respond to you, so make sure to check your email now and then. I hope you learned how you can easily delete or get rid of your Candy Crush Saga account if you no longer want to use it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.